Good evening and warm welcome to all the professionals here. So this is our first webinar in the year 2025. So before we start our webinar, as Dr. Gopakumar suggested, we are all paying homage to PSG Kumar, a pioneer of library science. So I request all of you to just close your eyes and pray in silence for a minute. So once again, good evening to one and all distinguished professionals. SLA welcomes all of you to our first webinar in the year 2025 on data visualization in library management. So before we start, before I introduce our resource person, the guest of honor, according to William Cleveland, author of Visualizing Data, no matter how clever the choice of information, and no matter how technologically impressive the encoding, a visualization fails if the decoding fails. So with this thought, let's explore data visualization in library management. Today, we are honored to have Dr. Gopakumar V as our resource person. Dr. Gopakumar is the university librarian and head of the Knowledge Center at the Digital University of Science, Technology and Innovation in Kerala. Previously, he held the esteemed roles of university librarian and head of the Department of Library and Information Science at Goa University. With an extensive professional journey spanning 41 years, Dr. Gopakumar possesses expertise in diverse library-related and digital content development software. He is well versed in software applications of academia, digital content creation, and data visualization. Notably, he has developed various types of digital content and has conducted classes on content development during refresher courses at UGC and HRDCs of several universities. His scholarly contributions include 27 research articles and the authorship of 3 books. Dr. Gopakumar's commitment to knowledge dissemination extends to organizing workshops, refresher courses, and 3 international conferences, Caliber 2011, Library Technology Conclave, and ICOL 2018. His multifaceted contributions have left a lasting impact on librarianship, information science, and academic research. Recently, he was elected to the Director Board of DLNet, Developing Library Network. On behalf of SLA India, we welcome you, sir, and we are honored to have you here. So over to you.
Thank you. Thank you. So good evening, everyone. Thank you very much for having me here. In fact, it must be Faisal who is instrumental in inviting me. He knows me very close. Anyway, the topic that is assigned to me, or in fact, I selected what everyone should know is data visualization. It's not meant alone for librarianship. It's a skill that everyone should have. Any professional should have that skill of data visualization. In fact, we must be doing it when we write a thesis or write an article. Actually, we are converting the data into tables and then we convert them into graphs. So those graphs are actually visualizations. Visualization means making it into a picture. Actually, it conveys meanings very quickly. That is the meaning of a visualization. That is the purpose of a visualization. Convey the meaning from a set of data. Sometimes we make tables or tabulations out of that, but tabulations may not quickly convey the message. So to convey the message quickly, we need visualization. So here, Actually, what we are going, it's not only one visualization. We will be having multiple visualizations from the data that we have. Okay. It happened, how I came to know about this and how I learned this is in my university, there was a vice chancellor by name Professor Saji Gopinath. Okay. He was very much interested in our library activities, and actually he was instrumental in developing the Nalanda archive of the Indian Institute of Management, Kozhikode. So he usually asks me, who has purchased the maximum books, who has recommended maximum number of books, who has spent more books, or what is the average cost of a book for a particular area. Like this, his questions are several. Every time he used to ask me questions. So it's not easy for me to calculate things every now and then. Okay, so what I thought is I should go for something very novice, something new, so that I can answer all these things, or even I should make him not asking me questions. Because if the answer is available with him, why should he ask me every now and then? So that is why I learned about, or that is how I learned about the data visualization, and then thereby developing a data dashboard. So here, what I'm going to show you is, or actually you are going to build along with me a data dashboard on the purchase of books in a library. Assume that you are having the data of the purchase of books in a library in an Excel sheet. If that is there, how you can convert it into a data dashboard. Initially, I will show you the data and also the data dashboard, which I have shown to my vice chancellor. And then I will teach you how to develop it. Hope you understood. This is the system whereby we are going to learn it. Okay. And anytime you can put a message over there, I will be just listening to that. Okay, or answering the questions, or if at all you want to come up with a query, you can just unmute yourself and ask me questions. There is no issue in that. Because it's going to be a practical session. You have to follow me step by step. Okay, no steps should be missed. If you miss a step, your data dashboard will not grow along with me. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understood what we are going to do. So later on, if your principal or the headmaster of your college is asking questions, you can just share this link with him so that he will never ask you a question. Okay, he will make him questionless. Okay, so that's what the idea. Initially, I will show you the data. Okay, I'm just sharing my screen. My entire screen will be visible to you. Once it is visible, please tell me. Is it visible now?
Getting started, sir.
Okay. Okay.
But
Yeah,
sir, it's not you.
Tab,
Okay, yeah.
tab here.
What is that?
Tab here to tab.
Tab.
Sir,
Select the tab.
Whole screen is visible.
Yeah, whole screen only I have given.
No. The current screen of our this webinar is visible.
Oh, yeah. That because I have not shown anything further. No?
Okay.
I'm just opening up my drive, and I'm just this is the data in Excel sheet, and I'm opening up and show you. Yeah, it's opening up. It's an Excel sheet where the data of the books purchased for the year 2023 is there. You can see the name of author. Actually, there is a number. This is serial number of the books, author, title, type of the book, whether it is a textbook or a reference book, all those details are there. When it was published, publisher's name, and then place of publication, number of copies, if at all I have purchased, and then subject area, to which subject area it belongs, who has recommended, among the teachers, who has recommended the books. And there are some 5 schools in our university. These are the 5 schools, and this is actually the order date for the purchase. Okay, which date I have ordered, because this has a relevance. I will show you that. And mode of purchase, how you have purchased, whether through an approved vendor or through an exhibition, or you got as a gift. All those things come under mode of purchase. And then procured, if at all you got it, how you have procured, from whom you have procured it, the agency which has supplied you the book. And then we actually go for a competent discount from, or there will be a competition among the registered booksellers for the discount. Okay, so we are actually getting 30% discount from the booksellers, and this is the paid price in for each book. You can see it is there, and here it says days taken for delivery, because here order date is there and within how many days we got the book. So in the case of the first book, when we have ordered the book on 22nd of August September, I got it within 16 days. The next one is within 20 days I got. Why? What is the relevance of that? You can depend on the person who provides you the book with a quickness as well as maximum discount. This can be a characteristic for selecting a vendor for that matter. Okay, so this is the data that I have. And I think I have data about 1,000 and more books are there. Let me show it. So there are many questions which we can ask out of this data. Okay, what is the average cost of a book? How many books you have purchased? So all these questions can be asked. I think around 1,100. Oh my God, it is too many. 1,304. 1,304 books we have purchased, and it was costing almost 38 lakhs. Okay, that is the cost of the entire set of books. I'm closing it now, and I will show you what actually we have. I have made to beat my vice chancellor. Okay, in fact, to beat my vice chancellor, what I have done. So it is actually I have to go to a particular place called Google Looker Studio. Google Looker Studio. It is actually a platform where you can make your. I'm just opening up my. So anybody having a Gmail account can have an account in Looker Studio also. Okay, so I will just jump on to the Librarian's account. I have multiple accounts. You can see that. So many Gmail accounts are there. So this is the interface of Google Looker Studio. I will come to that little later, but I wanted to show you the dashboard that I have created. This is it. Hope it is visible to you. It says the total number of books purchased is 1,304. As I told you earlier, it is the total cost is coming to 38 lakhs, 1,238 rupees 20 paise. And then the average cost of the book, 2,915, and median year of publication. What does it mean? Actually, I have purchased the latest books. Median year. Why I haven't gone for average? Average means it will average all the years together. It's not a fair idea. Whereas median means the number of times this particular year is getting repeated. That's why I have gone for that. And then here is the average discount. On an average, I am getting 23% discount. And here you can see that the particular feature that is within 18.37. That means you can say 19 days. I used to get a book. Okay, the moment I order, I used to get the book within 19 days. Okay, that's it. And here some more picturizations are there. You can see school-wise procurement of books. So I already told you there are 5 schools, and then knowledge center is there. Then admin for them also we purchase books. So you can see here 456 books have been purchased for this particular school. And here you can see, this was a regular question from Vaishya, who recommends the books maximum? So I have shown him that this is the person who has, Dr. Sadish Kumar is the person who is recommending more number of books. Like that you can see, it's actually a scrollable list. Okay, then when you come below, you can see here the pie chart or you can say donut chart showing how you have procured the books. What are the mechanisms by which? Through approved vendor, through exhibition, then online purchase, gifted, direct from the publisher. These are the methods by which I have procured the books. And here, which subject area we have purchased the maximum number of books. So it says management is the area where we have procured maximum number of books. And here again, it is the year of publication. So actually, this heap actually shows that we have purchased the latest books. Okay, we have not gone for the earlier years. The publishing year shows a heap over here, which indicates that we have gone for the procurement of latest books. And here you can see the publishers from whom we have from which publisher we have procured the maximum number of books. And it says Routledge is from where we have purchased the maximum number of books. And then comes which is the agency who has supplied with the maximum amount of discount. Actually, we can go the other way also. You can, when you click on it, actually it is going the other way, upside down. Okay, from smaller to larger or large. Actually, this is an interactive, very interactive tool. Okay, if I wanted to know about only one particular school, I need to just click over here. So the entire data changes to that particular school. Okay, you can see the entire details only of that school. This is why I call it as an interactive tool. Okay, anywhere you click like that, now you will get some sort of a change or reciprocal data visualization will be visible over there. For example, I wanted to know about this particular teacher and how many books. He has recommended 90 books. You can see there how much amount is there and whether he has gone for the latest books. So all questions related to the purchase of books is answered over here with this visualization. Okay, and here again you can even have controls. For example, you can see it is talking about the type of books, how many reference books you have procured. This is for reference books. When I click on it, it says 84 reference books have been purchased by spending 1,62,500. So every questions are answered. That simple it is. So this is what we are going to build. Okay, any questions? If you got this idea, you are ready for learning how to do it. Okay, any questions? No questions. Okay, great. In between, I will open up this useful tool with the. Okay, those comments you keep with yourself. We will.
I'll read it out at the end, sir.
What is that?
I'll read it out at the end, those comments.
Yes, yes, please. Yeah. In between, you can do that. Now that first is what I am going to do is I will share this data with you. Initially, I will be sharing this data with you. Actually, my data is available in my computer in the form of an Excel file. Okay, I have shown you already. Okay, I will open it and it is in my downloads folder. It is here. This is it. Okay, books purchased. This is the file. Okay, and this is what I am going to share with you. So to share with you, what I should do is I am trying to open up the drive that I have, Google Drive. With that, I will open up. Okay, I will just go to Librarian and I will open up my drive. This is my Google Drive, into which I will upload that file. Okay, so file upload. This is the file. Open. So you can see here it says that it is getting uploaded. File is uploaded, and when you click on the recent one, you will get that file here. Okay, it is here. This is the one. Okay, in fact, this was shown somewhere else. Okay, so I renamed it here. Okay, this I am trying to share with you. Okay, right click on this and click on the share button. When you click on the share, it will provide me a link which I can share with you. Restricted means you won't get it. So what I will do, I will go for anyone with the link and I will copy the link and click, sorry, not so viewer, you have to be an editor and then copy the link. Done. I'm coming to the chat box. There I'll be sharing the link. You can download it. The link is shared. Please download this.
Sir,
yeah.
Atin Saha has raised the hand. So, Atin Saha, ma'am, sir, please, if you have some doubt, you can ask now.
Yeah, with them. Anyway, link is there. You can download the data. It is an Excel data. Download it. So actually, you will be logging into my account. I can see you people here. You can see these are actually you people are here. Okay. When you click on that link, you are actually entering into my drive. Okay. Now what you have to do is, hope everyone has got it. If anybody is me, I will help you. Done. Very good. Very good. Yeah, at least 2 to 3 people. If you say done, it will be helpful for me to have control on things. Expecting 1 or 2 more people. Yes. 1 more. That means yes. 3 people have downloaded. That means amicably people could download it. Okay. Now it's enough. Now what you are actually in your Google Drive, or what you have to do is now you have to just go to File menu, click on the download button and Microsoft Excel. Just download that file because you are in my account. You have to have it in your account. For that, you have to download it first. Where you will go, here there is an option File, Share, a File, Download and Microsoft Excel. Please download it into your downloads folder. It will go to your download folder. Then you can come out of my account. You can close my account. Now you still 16 people are in my account. Yeah, slowly they are going down. 13, 14, 12, 11. Once the file is downloaded, you can come out of my account. Still 10 to 14, 15, yeah, 9 plus 5, 14 are there. I can understand what you people are doing. 9 plus 5, 14 are still there. Close the file. 8, 7. So hope almost everyone have got this Excel file. Very good. Not only downloading, you have to just close this account. My account. See, still 5 plus 6 plus 5, 11 people are still there. Because you have to open your account. That's why I'm asking you to close it. Still 11 are there. 10. Otherwise, there will be confusion. Okay. Somebody is still keeping my account open. Yeah, 8 people are still there. 7. Okay, I don't want to waste time on that. Now that the file is there as an Excel file, it is there. Okay. What you have to do is, you got the file. Everyone has got the file. What you have to do is go to your Google Drive and upload it into your account, your Google Drive. At present, it was from my account. You have downloaded it. Now you have to open your drive, upload the file just like this. Click over here and then select the file. Okay. If you have uploaded it into your account, say done over here. So at present, you got the data with you and you are trying to upload it into your account. Yes. 2 people have done. Yes, it's a simple thing to upload the data into your drive. Okay. Anybody fumbling, you can just tell me. I will help you. Yes, people have done it. Now when you open your Google Drive, it will be just like this. it will be shown up. You have to click on the resend button. Then you will get this file over here. You have to just double click on it. And the file will be visible just like this. Oh my God, still 4 plus 4, 8 people are still there. Okay. Hope all of you are having a file just like this, books purchase 3.xlsx. It should be there. If you are getting this, you are ready. In fact, you are ready for making your dashboard. So now tell me, what is the first step? Have the data in an Excel sheet. Second step is upload it into your Google Drive. See, these are the two steps. You can note down, have the data in Excel sheet. Second is upload it into your Drive as an Excel sheet. Third step is open the file. Open the file. When you open the file, you should see this .xlsx. You should see there. Seven people are still in my account. So if you are seeing this, you are well in. Okay. Now the fourth step is file, save as Google Sheets. This is the command. File, save as Google Sheets. Then your work is done. That's it. This time, it will not have that .xlsx. That is the difference. Because you are converting the Excel sheet into a Google sheet. Earlier, there was .xlsx. This time, it is not there because it is converted into a Google sheet. That is the fourth step. Steps again, have the data in Excel sheet, upload it into your Drive, open the file as Excel sheet, save as a Google sheet. Same file name it will have. Hope everyone have learned it. If you have done this much, you have done it. Okay, you are now ready to make your data dashboard. It's a very simple process, just like drag and drop. Very simple. If you follow me properly, you will be building a very good data dashboard. But here, a little bit of creativity is required. What do you mean by creativity? Like drawing and painting? No, here it is a simple creativity also is, because it should look nice. Otherwise, you already might have seen my dashboard. So it should look something, what is that? People should feel, nice, it is nice. First impression is the best impression. So make it something good. Okay. So everyone have understood it. Now what we are going to do is we are trying to go to create the dashboard. Anybody is still lagging, you can just tell me, I will help you. How to save, please repeat. Okay. Yeah, what you have to do is go to file. Here it is, save as Google Sheets. Save as Google Sheets. Why we can't work from the downloads and why we have to upload on Drive? Because see, there is a connectivity between your file in the Drive and the Looker Studio. That is why it is required. Akhila Arora, this is the answer. If the file is available in your Drive only, you will get it in your dashboard. If it is in my account or in your computer, it will not come up. Okay, because it is to be connected. Where is this Google file saved? What do you mean by that? Geeta Devi, I didn't get your question. Where this Google file is saved? What do you mean by that? Which Google file?
I think she's talking about the Excel file that you have shared. You were talking about where to share it, save it. Maybe there is some confusion.
Maybe she might have come late. Okay. So I am sharing the link again. I can't help for that. This is the file. Anyway, we will go slowly, then only we can learn it. So hopefully people might have understood what it is. We are uploading the file. Actually, this is the link is for sharing the file. That's all. Forget it, because you will be building your own data in an Excel sheet, which you will upload into your drive. Then you will connect it to your Looker Studio dashboard. Okay. Shall we start building it? Everyone ready? Say yes or no. Yes. Okay, I'm just closing this. I need not keep it open. I'm just closing this, and I'm opening another browser, and here I am typing Google Looker Studio. Google Looker Studio. That's all. Go to Google and it will show you this. Click open it. In my case, I will get many things over here. Forget it. I will go to my account in Librarian duk.ac.in. So in your case also, it should look just like this. Some what is that? Some folders are here. There are some templates over here. There is a button called create. Here also blank report or create only. Both are one and the same. And here there are 3 tabs over here. And these files you may not have. Okay. Same way I have created for faculty publications also. In my university, faculty publish book purpose, no? For that also I have created, which is not relevant to you. That is why I just avoided it. Okay. So hope you understood it. All of you are now here, isn't it? Anybody is now out of this particular window? How to open Looker Studio? Oh my God. Go to Google and type Google Looker Studio. Looker, Looker, Looker Studio. Yeah, that's it. Then you will reach here. Everyone should log into your because already you are in, because your Google platform is working. No, your Windows itself is on Google. We surely will have it. So naturally, it is. You are logging into your. If you have multiple things, then it will ask. There will be a combination. Understood? If you are having some 3 email IDs, your data will be in one drive and your Looker Studio should not be in another drive. That is the only problem. Anyway, so let us start. Now the first question is, I will show you. Initially, I will show you certain things. Then we will jump on to creating these things. In my case, when I click on the create button, there are 3 options coming up. Create a report, create a data source, or Explorer. Explorer is actually data drilling down into the data. More details. Just now it is in the beta stage. Okay, we will learn that. First is report. Report means what? How to create a dashboard. That's it. Either you click here or click here. Both are actually resulting in the same thing. I will just click on the report and it is getting ready to start with a report. In my case, no questions are asked. Okay, it is directly taking me to somewhere where it is showing certain things. Here you can see, I know it is very small letters, don't worry about it. Here you can see that it says Google connectors. Google connectors. How many are there? 20. In your case, you won't get it. Don't just go further. You remain there only. I'm just showing it. So Google connector, there are 24 Google connectors are there. That means, what does it mean? It is actually fetching data from various Google services. You can see here, Google Analytics. Suppose you are having a website, you can have a code from Google so that you can collect data on how many people are visiting your data, how many of them are remaining in the data, how much time, and from which country they are coming up. All these things you can collect through Google Analytics. The same way you can upload your advertisements in Google. For that also you will get lot of data. That is why the moment you click on something in Amazon or in Facebook or somewhere, no, after that those advertisements will follow you because they are collecting this particular data from you. And here you can see something that we know. What is that? Google Sheet. Okay. And here it is Microsoft Excel. Purposely I avoided Microsoft Excel and I used this because in certain cases the fonts will not be accepted by the data dashboard. Okay, that's why. So these are all actually here it is YouTube analytics. Many of you people might have uploaded already YouTube videos. So you will get the data about the YouTube videos, like how many people have come to your place, who have come, what is their email ID, how much time they are here. So all those data you will get here. So how many are there? 24 such data connectors are there. Similarly, there are several people who are selling data. The number is 1089. These many people are actually selling the data. They will collect the data from agencies and then provide to you. Okay, for that you will have to pay. So all these connectors are paid versions. But in our case, we need only Google Sheet, which is available to us free of cost from Google. Okay, because every one of us are having a Google email ID. If you have a Google email ID, it is there. Okay, so we are going to use this particular data connector or Google connector, or you can call it as a data source. Hope everyone understood it. Okay, now in your case, when you click on it, on this, what is that, a report, when you click on a report, okay, what will happen is, it will ask you, first it will ask you what is your country, which country you belong to. First question is which country. You can say outrightly say that we are Indian, so India. Second is what is your company name, because basically this is meant for companies. You say your name only, you can put your name. When you say that and continue, next question will be, there are 4 options. There is, you have to say yes to all. Yes to all. Then you will be entering into your account. Okay. So this is what it is. What you can do is, as I suggest you can just go to Looker Studio. I will do it again. Latecomers may not be able to understand what I am talking about. Anyway. So here what you have to do is click on the create button. Either this I have shown you, this also I will show you. Just click on this. Then you can see that something up like this comes up. Please, you also try to do it. I told you 2 questions are asked initially. What is, which country you belong to? Second is, what is your company name? Country is India. Company name is your name only. When you proceed, 4 questions are asked. Say yes to all, then continue. All of a sudden, this should come up. If at all 1 or more questions, you will be understanding it very easily. Okay, try to do it. Those who are getting this type of a window, you can just say it done over here. Very good, very good. Already people are enjoying. Okay, great. Okay. Anybody is lagging behind? See, nothing to worry. You see, it's something new, no? So naturally, you can, some people may lag behind. You can just tell me, I will help you. Okay, that means people have done it. All of you are here in this particular area. And now that we are going to click on the Google Sheets. Okay, when you click on the Google Sheets, here on the left-hand side, you can see all the data that we have in the form of Google Sheets. will be listed over here. Okay, you can just click on one. In my case, I have to click on this and it will show these many things. Okay, just listen to me. Here it says the first row of the header is the name of the variables, like the title of the book, cost of the book, discount, all those things on the top is there. Second is include hidden and filtered cells. Naturally, we cannot avoid it, so include it. So both these should be tick mark and click on the add button. Please do it. In between there can be one question for you. You just say yes or company name. It is your name only. You can put it as Geeta Devi. Sunita, you don't go little early. Wait for me. Which step again? Which step again? I should start from the beginning. I will do it. I will just do it. Yeah. Go to Google Looker Studio. And then click on the blank report. So I have to go to my account only. 1 second. Yeah. I have multiple email IDs. So I have to go to this account, click over here. Then in your case, it may ask which country you belong to. Second is what is your company name. You give your name only. Then the next window will show you yes to all. Then something like this will come up. There you have to click on the Google Sheets. When you click on the Google Sheets, all the sheets in your Google Drive will be visible over here. You can just click on what you are going to use today. Then it will show up these two things. This should be tick marked. It says the first row is the name of that variable. Second one is include hidden and filtered cells. Okay. So we are there. You can just click on the add button. How many of you have clicked on the add? Kindly tell this step again, sir. Just the Google Sheet. What is that? I didn't understand.
No, authentication is also yeah.
Yes. You have to say authenticate. Yeah. Yes.
This is.
See, if you say no, naturally they will not give you the service. That's all over. So if authentication comes, you have to say yes. That's all. Amit Kumar, are you still struggling? Okay. Great. That means people are with me. Now what I will do is I will click on the add button. When you click on the add button, something will happen. It's very slow here. Yeah, I got something here. You can see on the screen, there is a table created by the system which says author as well as record count. Actually, it is rubbish. That type of data we don't want. So what you will do, you will just click on it and then delete. That's all. And we have got a small sheet of paper over here. Just like MS Word, you can see here, there is a sheet of paper. It's white in color. To make it visible to you, I will change its color. Okay. I can come to the theme and layout, and I will just click on this black button. This is a theme, black theme. And when I click over here, you can see I got a sheet of paper in black color. Everyone can do that. Okay. So what you have to do, come to the theme and layout, select this color and click over here. If you select another theme, the color will change accordingly. That's all. You can see it's a different color. That's it. So it's up to you. That is where creativity comes. Creativity. Okay. So everyone is getting it. Now what we will do is, the paper size is very small. In fact, to include many of our visualization, the paper size is actually very small. Okay. So what we can do is we will make its size bigger. Okay, make it size big. Actually, we can have more number of pages. For example, here there is an option called add page. You can add one more page or two more pages. That's all. And from here, you can have a link to that pages, page 1, 2, 3. That is all possible. But we will be doing it in only one page because no, our users may not be able to jump onto other pages. So better we will do it again here only. Those things you learn later. So such intricacies you can learn later. Now that I am going to change its size. Okay, so you can come again to theme and layout and come to the layout option. And here you can see 1200 into 900. That is why it is very small. Okay, so I think I have one more time. I will just open it. I forgot the size of my picture. I also have a picture to share with you. Okay, so let me open it and see what is the size of the paper. 1 second, I forgot. Actually, I made it in Canva for you people only. I will share with you. So here I have to go to edit, and in the theme and layout, in the layout, I can see 1920 into 2600. Okay. So what you have to do is 1920 into 2600. So you will get a big sheet of paper. When you click enter, no, you will get a big sheet of paper. That's actually, you can see here, it's a big sheet of paper. You can go to this zoom option and the fit by width. All these options are available over here. Okay, so that's it. I will keep this as a helping tool. Okay. So we are in the theme and layout option. That's it. Everyone is ready? You are going to make your first visualization. Okay. Size of the paper again. Okay. 1920 into 2600. It should come here. Click on the theme and layout, and in the layout you can see 1920 into 2600. Got it. Got it. Very good. Okay. Now we are going to build up our data visualization. Okay. So here you can see in the beginning of this, there are certain values given over here. Okay. They are actually the indications of my performance in the library. In fact, how many books are purchased? It's a single number. Okay. It's a single number. Total amount, how much you have spent. That is also a single amount. What is the average cost? Again, it's a single thing. Median year of publication. All these are actually showing my performance in the library in the case of purchase of books. So these are called as, in management technology, they call it as KPIs. KPI. KPI means what? Key performance indicators. Key performance indicators. Okay. So we have to build up our key performance indicators just like this. Okay. You have to follow a color scheme also. You can see here I have followed a color scheme of blue with white and all. It's up to you. Okay. You can just select a color, whatever you want. That's why creativity again comes over there. And here you can see on the right hand side all the data elements which are the top row of our Excel sheet. Okay, all are listed over here. And here the last one is record count. You can click here also, you can see record count. Record count means each row of the Excel sheet or the Google sheet is considered as a record. So when you prepare the data, it should be like that. For one book, you have to devote one line. That's how you have to create the data. Clear? Any questions? Now what? No file is showing in Sheets after Google Drive. Can't add. That is because you are in two Google Drives. You might be having two email IDs. Vasudev Mahanto, your problem is that you have logged into Google Looker Studio through a different email ID. That is why. Okay. In Sunitha Gira also it is the same thing. You are logging in with your two email IDs. That is why. Otherwise, no, everyone is getting it. Any other people are having the same problem? It's a very simple thing. You have to log into the same email ID. Suraj, any problem? You can unmute yourself and tell me.
Same problem, sir. I
Uh,
can't reach
Yes,
my
sir.
Excel.
no. The problem is you will be having 2 email IDs.
How can I solve now, sir?
You log in with the, see what I have. See, you can come over here and click on this button, and your all email IDs will be listed here. You select the email ID in which drive it is there. No, same email ID you choose. You will get connected.
Yes.
It's a simple thing, no?
Yeah.
I will not go without solving your problem, so don't worry about it. Okay. Again, if you are facing the same problem, we will solve it. Okay. So the first thing what we need is we have to build the, what is this, KPI, key performance indicator, total number of books, how many I have purchased. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to be here and come to this option, add a chart. Can you see this? Add a chart. Click over here, and the second option is scorecard. Scorecard. Click on the first item and then drag it. So KPIs are actually usually shown through scorecards. Okay, I just dragged it and I simply got this number, because what is happening is it counts all the rows in that Google Sheet and gives me a number, and it is coming to 1304. Okay, everyone is getting it now?
Yes.
Okay, some Nanda Das is asking some questions which I not able to drag. What can I do? If you can drag it, it's very simple, no? Click over there, just like this. Click this one, drag it. That simple it is. Okay. So what we see here is the number of rows, but we know that it is the number of books. Very well, we know that because each row is meant for one book. Okay, in any database, it is like that only. Okay, but here it is, you can see that it says record count and the number there over there. I wanted to change it. So what I should do, come over here, and here there is something called AMT is there. Click on that AMT, and there you say total books purchased. Okay, that's it. Total number of books, you can say total books, number of books, total number of books purchased. That's all. That's it. So you got the name of that KPI, that is total number of books purchased, and the number also is there. Now we wanted to increase its size. Increase its size. So what you have to do is come to the style option, where you can increase the style and all. Okay, label, you can see it is just showing 28 pixel. Open it and then increase it to some 48. See, it's 48. I will increase still further to 60. Let me, yeah, it has become bigger in size. And here you can bring it to the middle of it. See, I have brought it to the middle of it, and I can just make it smaller like this. And again, I can just give a color inside. Okay, background color, I wanted to make a dark black, and for the border, I will give a white color with a thickness of 4 pixel or 5 pixel. So something like this I will get. Try to do this, please. I will repeat it if you want. I will surely repeat it. So what all I have done is, in the style, it's very small. It's very small. I know that. In the labels, you can select if you want to change the color, you can change the color. Its size, I have increased it to 60, and these alignments I brought to the middle, and then interior color I have made it to black, and this border color I have changed it to white. This is up to me. You can choose any color. It's up to you. Anybody facing problem? Just tell me. I will repeat it. Should I repeat? Swapna, should I repeat? Okay, okay, yeah, I can. Don't, I'm just deleting it, starting again. Go to add a chart, click on the scorecard, just drag it. That's all I have to do. All of a sudden, that number 1304 will come, because by default, it counts the number of rows in that. And now we have to change the style. Come to the style, scroll down here, you can see labels, and it is 28 pixel. I'm not happy with 28. I'm increasing it to 60, and I'm aligning it to the middle. Okay, and then I'm changing the color, interior color to black, and the border color to white, and its thickness to 5 pixel. Sorry, 5 pixel. All that I have done. And here, one thing I have forgotten is I have to change this name, record count. Here it says there is an auto, auto. That's what the meaning of it. Here you can say total number of books purchased. That's it. Ready to repeat again, but you should do it. Okay. Next, shall I proceed? Nobody is saying done. Only 2 people are. Have you done it? See, coloring and all you can do later. At least learn things. You can build a wonderful, yeah, great. So people have come out saying that. Now what I need is, I wanted to know what is the total amount I have spent on this. Okay, so I will go to add a chart. Again, I will go for the same scorecard, drag it just like this. And here, you can see that it is actually adding all the year of publications, which is meaningless. Okay, here there is something in blue color, and it is called as a metric. Metric means a measurement. Okay, so here actually what we have to do is, what is the amount of for a cost of a book, paid price in rupees, you can drag and drop into this. Okay, and then here you can see there is something, sum is there. So actually we need that only, sum of all the books together. Okay, you will get something like this, 38,1,238 rupees 20 paise. Again, I have to give all the color, everything to this. But what I will do is, I will just delete it, and I will make a copy of this. Select this and press Ctrl D. Ctrl D is for making a duplicate, keeping it over here, and then paid price from here to here, drag it, and then say total amount spent. That's it. So I have made, very easily, I have made a replica of the earlier one. I cannot zoom the window. It's very difficult. I don't know how to zoom it. Faisal, can you help me in zooming? Means this will go out of my. Is there any method of zooming
Yes,
it? I don't know.
just making it, yeah. How about now?
Making it?
Yeah. And just increasing the size of the screen. It's now 110.
Increasing size of this. Yeah.
Zooming in. Yeah.
110.
Yes.
It is 200. but everything cannot be seen at a stretch. I will have to move from here.
100 only.
Yeah, I'll just see.
Yeah, just
Something I will say, yeah. 1 second. Something which is amicable, I will go. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
please.
Yeah, this is it. So 2 I have done. So the third one is, in this case, you can see here, it is actually average cost of a book. So what you have to do, just make a copy of this. Again, you have to select this, Control D, bring it over here, and then here you can see the total amount spent is there. So entire amount is there. Now what you have to do, click on this, and here there is average. Click on that, then it will become the average. This is it. And here you have to change it as average cost of a book. That's it. I will repeat it if you want. What I did is I made a copy of this, Control D, because it is the total amount spent. So here you can see total amount spent and sum is there. Click on the sum. Here is the average. And then here you can say average cost of a book. It's very, very simple thing. Very simple thing. Median year of publication. Next is median year. Shall I proceed? I didn't get the drag option clear. Which drag option? Okay, maybe this one. I'll show you. This one. From here to here. Okay, that simply click on it and drag to this blue colored option. Okay, that is dragging. Next is, in fact, the average, sorry, the median year of publication, median year. Okay, average year is not the correct way to do it. I am making again a copy of it, keeping it over here, and then say year of publication. It is here. Drag and drop it over here. This is what dragging. And then it is adding all the years together, which is meaningless. So what you have to do, click again in the sum. There is something called a median. Then you will get 2020. So here you can change the name as median year of publication. You can also arrange it properly, just like this, what I am doing. Okay. In my case, certain, see, you can even increase or decrease the size to suit the space available. Something like this. I just did it. You can see here. So again, I will go back to zoom in. Yeah. Next is the average discount. For each book, they have offered a discount. So I wanted to know what is the average discount. Again, you have to make a copy of this, Control D, bring it over here, somewhere here, and say discount. Yeah, it is alphabetically arranged. So you can come over here, discount, drag and drop it over here. And you know how to calculate the average. Click over here and say average. And here you have to put the name average discount. That's it. Please guide using same ID, but still stuck on yes. There's all this. See, your computer will be having a particular Gmail ID. Okay. And you might have opened another Gmail ID. That is why this is happening. Your Windows is having a particular Gmail ID. And you have opened another email. Average again. Average is very simple. Click on it. And you can click over here. All the calculations are listed over here. Out of that, second one is average. Yeah. Okay. Now that we will go for the days taken for delivery. Okay, you can see here. I will just go for that, and then I will make a copy of this and keep it over here. Days taken for delivery. So here it is there. Days taken for delivery. You can drag and drop it over here, and then I have to go for the average option. Average days taken for delivery. So we can take decisions based on this. Okay, it is delivery. Okay, so my dashboard is getting designed already. Okay, you can just see this. So everything. So yeah, that visual look should be there. Okay. Sunita, what you can do, just listen to me now. I cannot help because it's a technical problem at your end. They are sharing the video with you. Just listen to me now, and then later on you can work on it. Okay, that would be the best option now, because already we have crossed half of our class, so it will be difficult. Just listen to me, and they are sharing the video. You can work on it. Okay. So in all these cases, if you look at, actually we are having only one item. That is what, either it is the number of books or the total amount spent. So all these are measurements, and that is in our this one we call it as metric, and the metrics are actually shown in the blue color. Now tell me, if you want to know how many books are purchased for a school. So this total number of 1,304 should be divided among schools. Okay. So for dividing the books among the schools, you are using a particular criterion. That is the school, name of the school. So when you divide the school, the total number of books among the 5 schools, you will get the number of books purchased by a particular school. And that is considered as the feature that is used for dividing the total amount into 5. In my case, it is 5 schools, is called as a dimension. Okay, so your entire metric will be divided among 5 dimensions. Okay, let us see what it is. So here what I am going to do is I am going to show you a visualization where unpin for maximum, I don't know what it is. Who has to do it? Okay, unpin. If somebody can unpin or pin, I think.
It is pin, it's not unpin, I think. So we have pinned the presentation here.
Okay. I don't know. It's difficult.
Okay. So at their end, they can increase the size of the screen. So they can increase and decrease.
Okay. Yeah. Anyway, this is it. And this time, what I'm going to show is school-wise procurement of books. So total number of books divided by the schools. Okay, that's what I wanted to show. So here, there are several options. out of that, again, I am going to add a chart. This time I am going to for a bar chart. Each bar will be showing a school. Okay. So I'm just dragging it over here and just placing it here, just like this. So automatically it will identify something else, which I do not know at all. Forget it. What? Here you can see two things. Here something is in green color and here something is in blue color. So in this blue colored area, we need the number of books. So you can drag and drop the record count. Okay. Here what we need is school. So you identify the school from here, drag and drop. This is the dimension. So you will get a pakka bar graph, just like what you are seeing on the screen. Try to do this. We will make modifications later on. I will repeat it if you want. I can repeat if you want. It's very simple, in fact. Changes we can make a little later, but you have to do it. Should I repeat? Okay, okay. I'm deleting it and repeating it. Just follow me. Add a chart. I'm going for this particular bar chart. Click on that. Drag it because I wanted to show school-wise procurement of books. Okay, so each bar should show a school, and then based on that, the number of books will come. Here something is there which I am not caring at all. Whatever it may be, I am not caring. So here you can see something is in green color, something is in blue color. In the blue color area, you have to bring in the number of books. That is the record count. And over there, the dimension is the school. Drag and drop it. That's it. You will get a diagram like this. Could you do it? I think. Okay, now I will proceed. Okay, because I wanted to give some little bit of changes for this particular thing. For example, here it says it is record count. I don't want that. And then the names of schools are small. We can't see it. And in the bar, I need the number. Okay, how many books are there? All these things are required, and I need to change the background, the frame, everything I wanted to change. So select it. And then here you can see the record. Yeah. Record count. There you can say number of books. Number. Oh my God. One second. Something happened. I have logged out. I got logged out from my account. 1 second. I don't know what is happening. Yeah, I will log into my account only. No, that's not a problem. Yeah. So, can you see this? Can you see my screen? Say somebody's, yeah.
Yes,
okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
okay, yeah. So here what I have to do is first I have to change the record count. That name I have to say that number of books per school. That's it. Okay, and it's spelling error is there. OOL. Okay, that's it. Now I wanted to change the color, everything. So I have to come to the style and then say first thing is show data labels. first thing you can see here, it is show data labels. So you can see all of a sudden the numbers are visible over here in white color. Below that, I can just increase the font size. Auto text formatting. I will say it is little over 30 pixel. Yeah, 30 pixel means much visible it is. And then come down here, it shows blue color. I can change it to any different color. You can see the color changed, but I will go by my traditional color what I have been using. Okay, that's it. And then come down slowly. You can see here certain other things like bottom x-axis, y-axis, all those things are there. Forget it. And then background. Okay, you can select the background, click here and say it is dark black. In my case, I am opting for that. And the surrounding color, the border is white in color and its thickness is almost 5 pixel. So I got it. Now there is another problem. You can see the names of these are very small in nature. I will just drag it to little ahead like this. When you bring your cursor, it will become 2 lines. That time you have to bring it, and then again you have to go to the top. Somewhere here you can see legend is there. No, let me see. Is it a legend or this one grid droid 12 point? I will just change it to 20 pixel. Yes, you can see here it is actually the grid here. Just below the grid you can see its size is 20. I know it is very small, but I could make it. You can see that. Okay, I made my visualization very clear. You can see that for each school, the number of books are listed over there. School name is over there. A comparative picture is made. Okay. I need 30 minutes more. Okay. We will proceed for another 30 minutes. Is it okay?
Sure, sir.
Then only it will be complete.
Yeah.
So hope everyone have done it. Any should I repeat anything? I'm ready to repeat. Okay. The next visualization here is actually the here you can see on the top there is something. The names are the titles of that particular visualization is there. How will you make it? For that, here there is a text box. Click on that and just drag it like this from here to here. You drag it and then type it. Okay, so here I will say school-wise procurement of books. Okay, now it is very small. Don't worry. You can see here, you can just select it. First, you change the color to a different color, something like this. And then its size, you can increase to something like 36. Okay, and bring it to the middle. That's all. So, but that color doesn't look nice. So I will change it to white. I want it as white. Okay, and then keep it just like this within this. Yeah, I got it. School-wise procurement of books. Okay. Next is who has recommended the books. So in the data, actually recommended by is there. You can see here recommended by. So in this case, I have made a table only. It's a table, not a graph, but a table. So we will make a table. I have to go to the add a chart, make a table. This is the table. Click on that and then drag it just like this. Drag a table like this. I'm purposely bringing it for these two ends. Okay. You can see that some values have been already brought by default. It has brought some values. You need not worry about anything. So here the dimension is actually recommended by. Drag and drop it over here. Then record counter remains the same. We can see the names of teachers have already visible. Okay. Now we have to change how it looks. Okay. For that you have to. So first you do this. Please make the table. Okay. Yes, we can add more pages. There is an option over there, add page. Okay, with that you can add more pages. On the top left hand side, you can see add page. When you add more page, it will be visible over here. 1, 2 like this, it will come on the left hand side. Pages will be, I will show you at the end. If I do it now, no, you will be confused. That's why purposely I am avoiding. Okay. I'm just going to change this. It's a visibility. Click here and then go to the style and then come down. First here there is something 14 point. I will change it as 24 point. You can see that the top names are changed. And then if you want to have different colors for the rows, you can click one of these and have a color, something like this. So you can see that a color has got occupied over there. Yeah, something like this. Similar to what we are, the same color if you use, no, that will be good. Yeah, that is good. Okay, now come down again, the table labels. Okay, it is now 12 in size. Now here what I can do is I can just make it into 24. Yes, wonderful. And then come down slowly again downwards, and here dimensions need not be brought to the middle. Whereas record count, that is number of books, you have to bring to the middle. That is the metric. Click on the middle alignment. You can see that it has come to the middle. Then go further down. You will get all the other options for making the document visible, just like this. Click over here. Say it is 5 pixel. I have done my this, what is that, the table also. And here there is record count, which I can change as number of books. Number of books recommended. That's what the title I have given. And here it is not visible. You can just bring it over here. So it will be showing like this. So name of the teacher, serial number, name of recommended by whom, and the number of books recommended by him. Everything is there. And click on this. If you want to have a title for that, click on this, Control D, and keep it over here just like this. And then say teacher wise recommendation or faculty wise recommendation. Something like this you can put. This also you can put. We can arrange these also. Don't worry about it. We can arrange it. There are options just like in Excel and PowerPoint. No, we can arrange these also. So we are almost done with our. Can we add more pages? Could you do all these things so far? This much we have done. See, you can see that these two are actually not in the same line. What you can do is click on these two and right click. There you will get align horizontally. Center also is okay. Oh, sorry. Vertically it should be. Right click. You can have a test middle so that they are arranged in the same line. Or if you want to bring them, make align vertically top so that it will be on in the same line. Okay. So all these minute things, no, it will give a very good picture for your presentation. That's it. Okay. So that's it. Now I am going for the next one, that is how you have purchased, method of procurement. These are very simple things now. What you have to do is come over here. This time I will make a copy of this. Control D. And I will drag and drop it over here. Method of procurement. Of procurement. Of books So no questions asked. You can easily tell anybody for that. So in this case, I'm going for a add a chart and going for a pie chart. Okay. Dragging it over here, just like this. Okay. You can see I have already made, but here you can see it is school wise something which is being shown. I don't want school wise, but what I want is the method of procurement. So the dimension is method of procurement, mode of purchase is there. Drag and drop it over here. That's all. It is showing all these things, but these are very small in numbers. And so here what you can do, click here and say number of books. Okay. Now what I will do is I will make it a little more legible. These letters have to be made bigger. Okay. So for that, click on this and go back to the style option. Come slowly, you can come. So if you want a single color only for this particular this pie chart, you can click on this single color so that it will show you the variant color, what is that, shades of blue color. If you change the color to a different one, it will show up something like this. That's all. Anyway, I will go by the traditional color that I am using. And here there is an option, inner radius. If you increase it, you can see that it becomes a donut. Okay, and the label, now it is auto, and you can say that its size can be around 30 pixel. And it is showing percentages. But what I want is actually the number. You can see that the value. Click on the value, you will get the actual number of books, what is procured. Okay, now that a legend also is very small, you can increase its size by clicking on around 36. Oh my God, it's big. What you can do is go for something called 18. No, 18 also is small. So I will go for 20. Yeah, it's visible now. Okay, now I have to go for the colors, the background color and border. So come down over here, select the background color that you usually use. Come here for the border, make it of 5 pixel. That's it. You made it. Okay, so that's it. So almost every visualization is just like this only. Okay, everything is there, the data is there. Only thing, see, when you click over here, all sort of charts are there. So if you are actually taking up the place where it was published, you can have a map over there. Okay, and say where it was published. So the number of books published, it will be shown on a world map. You can just click over here and then drag it and then show. I think I don't have that data with me. So I can just drag it like this. It will show the various. You can see the entire world map is there. So if the data of the countries are shown, it will be visible based on the thickness of the colors. Okay, that is also possible. Only thing is you have to have the data. That's all. Okay. Now next is here I will go by the subject area and number of books. Okay. So again, it is a table only. We already learned it. It's very easy for us. Click over here, go to a table. This time I will go for a heat map also. Let us try that with a heat map. I'll just go for this subject area we wanted to know. So by default, it will bring up something over here. What I will do is the record count is correct, but what I need is the what was that? Subject area. So here you can see subject area is there. Drag and drop it as the dimension. So the data will be visible like this, and it shows a bar chart along with the in the table itself. It is showing a bar chart, and another one is there which is showing this. This is actually the heat map. We will do that rather than this. We will do that heat map. We will try, add a chart, click over here, drag and drop. So actually, you can see here it is showing up this is mode of purchase, but what we need is the subject area. Drag and drop it over here. You can see the maximum blue color is for management area. But for that, what you have to do, come to the style and then make it more visible. Just now it is 14 pixel. You say that it is to be for 24. That is 24. Now come down and say that it is 12, which you can change it as 24. Yes, that has become bigger. You can drag this little closer to this. So subjects are visible. Now, if you want, you can have multiple colors in between, just like this. I think this is looking better. So I will go for giving a background color for this. So come to the style, come downwards, change the color. This color I will change to dark black, and the border color I will change to white, and its thickness I will change to 5 pixel. That simple it is. So here I can just make a copy of this, Control D, and will say what? Number of books based on subjects. Subject area. Okay, so that's it. Now that I can share this visualization with you, I can share this visualization with you. Okay, so I will just press on Control A to select everything, and then Control A, it works very well. You can just drag and drop downwards. Slowly, I just bring it down because I already have a picture for its background. Okay, so I will show you that picture. So to bring that picture over here, you have to click on this icon, upload from my computer. I have made it for today's presentation. This is it. The picture has come over here. This is it. I named it as a school library only. Kendriya Vidyalaya, something like that. I made it. Yeah, Central School, I made it. So I'm just dragging it over here. And I prepared it with the same pixel ratio, 1920 into, I already told you, 2600. That's why it occupies exactly of the same shape. Okay, you can see here, it exactly is. Only thing is it is above the data. Now what you have to do, right click on that and then say order, send to back. That's all. Your visualization is ready. That simple it is. Okay. I will what I will do is I will share it with you. Okay, I'm just clicking on the share button, and just like what we have done earlier, no, I'm clicking on the restricted option and I will say public, copy the link. Sorry, I am showing it as a viewer only because you can edit. I don't want you to edit it, so I'll just click on the public version and then copy the link and save it. So it will remain just like that. In the chat box, I'm sharing it with you. Just open it and see whether it is visible to you. So this way you can, in fact, it can be embedded on a website also. That also I will show you. But just see this. If it is visible to you, say yes in the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, yeah, that's it. Similarly, you people also, after building it, can be shared with anyone. Okay, so in this case, we have built only minimal things only. Okay, there are many things which we can do. For example, in my case, I have used this here. In this case, it is a year of publication and number of books. So I made a line graph. It's very easy for that matter. You can just, oh, I don't have a space. So here I will be using the other option of adding a page. Okay, I'm clicking on the add page option. You can see that the second page is ready. Whereas this is the first page and this is the second page. Into this, I am going to build that chart. That's it. And here I will go for the line graph. Yeah, line chart. I will drag it over here. here, what is that I am going to use? It is the year of publication. Okay, so year of publication is actually the dimension, and then record count is the other one. So you can see here, it is actually 2021 is here. Okay, you can show it the other way also. You can, I think when you click on this descending, now it will come to this side. Okay, now you can give the features whatever you want over here. Now you can just give it over here so that you can see it clear. This is it. And finally, one more visualization. It's again a table only. You can also make it. Now that I have shown you how to share it, okay, by clicking on the share button, you can save it. There is another method of sharing it. It is by creating a website and embedding it. For that, what you have to do is click here. There will be an embed report option is there. You can see here. Okay, when you click on embed report, enable embedding, then you are getting the code, Control C, and here the size is very limited. You can just say 1900 into 2500. Yeah, so the entire thing is there. Can copy to clipboard, entire thing is copied. Now I will go to my Google Drive only. I can create a website very quickly on that. Go to the drive, and I will click on the new button, and in this I will go for the Google Sites. Okay, Control A, my library. This is the page, and here what I will do is I will go for the embed option and embed code, into which I will just paste the whatever I have brought. Click on the next button. You can see that it has come up. I will just insert it, and this is on my website now. Again, you need actually a lot of space. Okay, but it can be scrolled and seen. Anyway, I have just kept it, and then I can publish it. The website is ready. This time I will say Looker Studio Data. Looker Studio Data. Okay, that's it. Some name I have given, and I am publishing it. The website is ready. And what I can do is I can just show it to you people only. Sharing the website. Oh, sorry. Control A. Come to this. I will click on this link. I wanted to copy the link, and I'm sharing it with you. You can just click open and see whether the website is visible to you. It will be something like this. It will be visible to you. That what is that pixel strength we have to adjust, then things will be better. Okay, so that's it. Could you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what we have done so far is based on the data that we have collected from in the library for purchasing of books, we have uploaded it into Google Drive as a Excel sheet, then converted into a Google sheet, and it is connected to Looker Studio. And then the entire thing is converted into visualizations like this. Okay, what I suggest is you try to do it, and contact me anytime. I will give my email ID and mobile number. Anytime you can call me or talk to me. I will help you in, but you should do it. If you don't do it within days, no, you will forget it. And I suggest you that there are very good videos on the YouTube on this particular aspect. Okay, on Looker Studio. Okay, that's it. And if you give me another chance, even we can do the same thing in Excel. Excel also we can do the same thing. Okay, so I'm giving 91588355495. My email ID is librarian@duk.ac.in. My email ID is there. And another day, we can also have a session on how to use ChatGPT for academics. Okay, that also
Yeah.
we can do it. If you have another academic person, you can just go with that. But I'm just suggesting that I'm happy to teach. That's why.
Yeah,
Okay, thank
sure,
you very
sir.
much. Thank you very much. Okay, I didn't get enough time, but still I could manage. That's what I say. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you, sir.
much, sir. It was such insightful and informative session. Yes, as you said, when we log in, we have two accounts, that confusion has gone through, I am going through that. So I'll definitely work on that and get connected. And thank you so much. I think we have learned something, a wonderful technique, wonderful tool, so that now there is what you call a visualization of what work we are doing, which is accessible to the authorities as well as any individual. As you said, even you can construct your website and share it there. So thank you so much for your, what do you call, uh, along with your session, you were answering the queries through the chat. So the QA session also you have covered throughout so well. So I would now request yeah, before that, this to the participant, we'll share the feedback link as soon as the vote of thanks is over. So make sure that you fill the feedback link with your correct spelling, name, and email ID, so that there is no trouble while you get your certificates. So I now welcome Suraj sir to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Nina ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Today, we had a wonderful session on data visualization in library management. Dr. Gopakumar sir, a true expert in this field, shared a wealth of information along with a hands-on practical session. We all are truly enthusiastic to explore the new paths you have opened for us. This session has been a valuable experience for all of us librarians as we venture into the exciting world of data science. Thank you, Dr. Gopakumar sir, for generously sharing your knowledge and for dedicating over 2 hours of your time despite your busy schedule.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
A special thanks
Thank you.
to
Thanks, sir.
SLA for making this event possible. Thank you all.
You have to thank Faisal for that. He only knows me among you.
I am here.
Thank you very much.
Really organized. Thank you. Thanks a lot. It was a wonderful session. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Good night.
Good
I'm
night.
leaving.
Thank you, sir.
Good night. Thank you.
I've shared the feedback link, so please fill it before you leave.